morning, dears. We have completed question number 1 and 2 from exercise 19. Today we will be solving question number 3, 4 and 5. I will be teaching you one each, then afterward you will solve, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in the live class which has to be conducted tomorrow. So just have a look. Question number 3, exercise 19. So you must go through the sums, and if there is doubt you can ask, that is afterward. Now 3.1, you have to get the volumes, curved surface area and TSA of a cylinder. 3a, diameter is given 14 centimeter and the height is given 8 centimeter. So if diameter is 14, radius would be 7 centimeter. Now first we have to find the volume of cylinder. The formula already we know, pi r square h, or I will be writing the values. Pi r we have got 7 into 7, h we have got 8 centimeter cube. Now I will just cancel 1 7, and when we multiply 22 into 7 into 8, it gives you 8 7s are 56, 1 2 3 2 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Next we have CSA, curved surface area of cylinder. You know the formula of CSA, that is 2 pi RH, or 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 8 centimeter square. 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 and 3, 35. 352 centimeter square will be the curved surface area. Now next we have to find TSA, total surface area. Is it? Now the formula of TSA we know, 2 pi r h plus r, or 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, 8 plus 7 centimeter square. This 7 is cancelled, or 44 into 15 centimeter square, or 660 centimeter square. In this way you have to solve question number 3. Then number 4, here you have to find the length of diagonal of a cuboid whose dimensions are given. Just we'll solve now question number 4 1, then 5 1. Then left of us you have to solve it. Look at question number 4. Length 24 centimeter. Breadth 18 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. We know diagonal, already you know the formula, is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Now we will be writing under root 24 square plus 18 square plus 10 square, and all together I am writing centimeter square. Already assume 24 square already we know, this is 576. 18 square is 324 and 10 square is 100 centimeter square, or 1000 centimeter square, or I can write it 10 root 3 centimeter, 10 root 10 centimeter. Now the value of root 10 we have to put here. That is the work you have to do. We have got 10 root 10 now. 10 root 10 centimeter. Now root 10's value is 3.162. When it is multiplied as centimeter, then it gives you 31.62 centimeter. Here you have to work this. You know how to find the square root. Then you have to get the square root of root 10, or whatever it comes, then you have to place the value of, and then at last you have to multiply. Now question number 5 it says, here you have to get the diagonal of a cube. It was for the cuboid. 5a, side of cube is 5.4 centimeter. Now we know the diagonal is equal to side root 3. So we'll be writing 5.4 centimeter into root 3, or we have to place the value of root 3, that is 1.732. Now when you multiply, after multiplying you will get the answer. It is quite long, so we will be just taking up to 2 digits, 9.35 centimeter. So in this way you have to solve question number 5. So you have to finish 3, 4 and 5. Is it clear? And in question number 3 you can see some of the places circumference is there. So from there you have to find the radius. That much work you have to do. If there is a doubt you can ask me in next class. Thank you dears.